morning, my dear kids. Welcome back to today's English class. How are you? Hope all are fine at home. Dear kids, today we are going to take our third lesson, The Pennywise Monkey. What is the title of the lesson? The Pennywise Monkey. Dear kids, God has given us a lot of gifts. Our parents, friends, a beautiful house, car. Yes, get a lot of gifts from God. Are you happy with it? Yes, we are very happy because these are the gifts of God. But sometimes we wish to get what others have. Is it good? No, it is not good. Be happy with what we have. Dears, value the things what we have in our hands. Yes, we should be grateful and appreciate the things what we have in our hands instead of trying to get something that we don't have. If we always think about what we don't have, we will be very unhappy. We will be very, very happy when we appreciate the things what we have in our hands. Is it clear, dears? Be happy always. This is a story of a greedy monkey. He was not so happy what he had in his hand. He wanted more. This story explains what happened when he was trying to get more and more. Let's start the lesson. Dear kids, take the page number 18. Lesson 3, The Pennywise Monkey. Once upon a time, there lived a king. He was very rich, but was never happy. He always wanted to have more money. So he set out one day to conquer a country. After working the whole day, the tired king and his soldiers stopped to take some rest. Dear kids, listen here. Once upon a time, there lived a king. Do you know who's the king? As we all know that the king is the protector of kingdom. A king lived there. How was he? He was very rich. The king was very rich. Yes, he had a lot of money and he could buy whatever he wanted because he had a lot of wealth. But he was not happy. Yes, the king was not happy. He had a lot of money, but he was not happy. Do you know why? Yes, he wanted money. The king, he wanted money. He had a lot of money, but he wanted more money. What did he do to get more money? Yes, the king decided to conquer. Conquer means defeat. It means win over another country. So the king and his soldiers set out one day to conquer a country. Set out means started a journey. The king and his soldiers started a journey to conquer another country. For what? Yes, for getting more money. If the king defeated another country, he would get more money. So, he started a journey to defeat another country. The king and his soldiers worked a whole day. Whole means a full day. What happened? Yes, after working the whole day, the king and his soldiers became too tired and they wanted to take rest. So they stopped the journey to take some rest. Is it clear, dears? The king, he was very rich. He wanted more money. So the king set out one day to conquer a country. He worked a whole day. The king and his soldiers became tired and they stopped to take some rest. Dear kids, listen here. Now I am going to read the next paragraph. The horses were hungry, so the soldiers fed them some peas. A greedy monkey, watching from a nearby tree, jumped down, grabbed a handful of peas, and climbed back to the tree. Dear kids, look at the picture. What we can see there? Yes, the king. He is sitting under a tree. The king, he was very tired. Look there, a few horses are there. Yes, they are eating peas and a few soldiers are with them. They are feeding the horses. Yes, dears, they are on the way to conquer a country. Listen here. Some horses were with them. The horses, they were very hungry. They wanted something to eat. The soldiers started to feed them some peas. What is the meaning of feed? Feed means giving food. Some horses were with them. The horses, they were very hungry. The soldiers fed them some peas. Look at the picture. Who is sitting on the tree? Yes, the monkey. Yes, the monkey was watching all these things from the tree. It was a greedy monkey. Yes, it was a greedy monkey because the monkey always wanted more and more of something. The greedy monkey, it was on the tree and he watched all these things. What did he do? He jumped down and he grabbed. What's the meaning of grabbed? Yes, snatched a handful of peas and climbed back to the tree. Listen here, dears. Some horses were with them. They were hungry. The soldiers fed them some peas. A greedy monkey, it was on the tree. He watched all these things. What did he do? He jumped down and grabbed a handful of peas. Yes, the greedy monkey wanted some peas to eat. So he jumped down and grabbed a handful of peas. And what did he do? Yes, he climbed back to the tree. Dear kids, let me introduce a few new words for you. Listen here. First word is conquer. Spell the word conquer. C-O-N-Q-U-E-R. Conquer. Second word is country. Spell the word country. C-O-U-N-T-R-Y. Country. Third one is greedy. Third one is greedy. G-R-E-E-D-Y. Greedy. Last one, grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Grabbed. Kids, let's revise all these words once again. First one, conquer. Second one, country. Third is greedy. Last one is grabbed. Dear kids, write all these words in your notebook. Don't forget to read the first two paragraphs of this lesson, The Pennywise Monkey. It is the time to wind up today's class. See you in the next class. Bye. Thank you.